Welcome to our presentation on health and safety, focusing on lockout tagout, a crucial procedure for controlling hazardous energy. This process is vital for ensuring the safety of workers by preventing accidental machine startups and energy releases. In this session, we will cover essential learning outcomes including understanding what lockout tagout is, identifying energy sources, knowing when to apply LOTO, learning from past accidents, and understanding the devices and methods used in LOTO procedures. Did you know that 10% of all industrial accidents are related to lockout tagout procedures? Each year, there are approximately 250,000 LOTO-related accidents, resulting in around 200 fatalities and 60,000 injuries. This highlights the importance of proper LOTO implementation. Lockout tagout is a procedure designed to isolate energy sources of machines to prevent accidental contact with moving parts. The OSHA standard for the control of hazardous energy outlines the necessary steps to ensure safety during machine servicing and maintenance. Lockout devices are physical restraints that prevent machines from becoming energized, requiring a key or unlocking mechanism to remove. Tagout devices are warning tags that alert workers to the status of a machine, ensuring it is not started while being serviced. Lockout tagout procedures must account for various energy sources, including electrical, chemical, pneumatic, gas, water, steam, mechanical, and hydraulic. Identifying these sources is crucial for effective energy isolation and accident prevention. An authorized employee is responsible for locking or tagging machines during servicing, while an affected employee uses machines under the lockout tagout standard or works in areas where such servicing occurs. Understanding these roles is key to maintaining safety. Accidents can occur when lockout tagout procedures are not properly followed. It's essential to understand the risks and implement safety measures to prevent injuries and fatalities in the workplace. Continuing on the topic of accidents, it's crucial to learn from past incidents to improve safety protocols and ensure that lockout tagout procedures are effectively preventing accidents. LOTO should be applied whenever an employee performs service or maintenance on equipment that requires bypassing safety devices or placing their body at risk. This includes activities like adjusting, inspecting, modifying, replacing parts, tool changes, clearing jams, lubricating, and cleaning. Implementing lockout tagout involves several steps: assessing machines and energy sources, provisioning LOTO devices, developing procedures, training individuals, placing LOTO stations, performing audits, and reassessing compliance to ensure safety. The procedure contents for lockout tagout include application steps like notifying, shutting down, de-energizing, applying devices, and verifying energy states. Release steps involve inspecting, confirming controls, removing devices, re-energizing, and starting up safely. Lockout tagout involves 7 basic steps: preparing for shutdown, notification, shutdown, isolating equipment, applying lockout tagout devices, releasing stored energy, and verification. Each step is crucial for ensuring safety and preventing accidents. Group LOTO boxes are used to secure multiple lockout devices, ensuring collective safety during maintenance activities. These boxes help manage and organize lockout procedures efficiently, especially in complex environments. Padlocks and hasps are essential tools in lockout tagout procedures. They provide a secure method to lock out equipment, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring that machines remain safely de-energized during maintenance. There are numerous devices used in lockout tagout procedures, each designed to secure different types of equipment and energy sources. These devices are crucial for ensuring comprehensive safety measures are in place. Lockout stations provide an organized approach to managing lockout devices and procedures. They ensure that all necessary tools are readily available and properly stored, facilitating efficient and safe lockout